like so nervous in this like first finger. I like shaking.
I eat hella slow.
Me too. I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Lemongrass.
I've never seen it with sauce on it like this. I know this tastes really good with papaya salad.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm right here. What the heck?
I love spicy, but I hate spicy.
Same here. I used to eat more spicy back then.
Really?
But I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But as I got older, like I can't eat too much spicy. I started getting like things like acid reflux. Stomach started hurting.
Me too.
Oh damn.
Wow, that hit me.
Right? Two peppers, so spicy.
Wow. I got like cocoa water from Cocoa Milk Cafe.
Oh, I love their desserts. I did try the chocolate balls. It's like a white liquid, like chocolate milk. It has chocolate balls in it.
That sounds really good. I love coconut milk. It tastes good. It's cold and refreshing.
You gotta come over with me. See, we'll leave later. It's better, right?
Yeah. They get